decisions in situations where multiple objectives are involved. That's what we're going to discuss in this video, a simple method for handling multiple objective decision making. So let's suppose you have 6 great job offers and you're interested in making a decision based on 4 objectives or attributes of each job: location, compensation, potential for advancement, interest in work. And you've rated each job on a 1 through 10 scale on these objectives. So job 1 gets a 10 on interest of work. Job 6 gets a 2 on potential for advancement. And then the tricky thing, and this would require a lot more advanced videos that we're going to do here, would be coming up with the weights for each objective. So give 100 points total to each objective. So you might give 20 points to location, 30 points to compensation. Location may mean either be close to your family or far from your family, depending on how you look at it. Potential for advancement, 15 points, and interest in work, 35 points. So what we want to do is get the score for each job and then pick the job with the highest score. And we want to use conditional formatting to highlight the job with the highest score, all the information about that job. So how would you get the score for job 1? It would be 7 times 20 plus 4 times 30, 5 times 15 plus 10 times 35. Well, a cool function for that we've discussed a bit in earlier videos is SUMPRODUCT. It will take a row times a row. So I want this row, but I've got to $sign it. So that would be the 20 times 7, the 30 times 4, etc. So that would be what we've got there. So that's a 685. And what we'd want to do is rank each of these, and we just learned the rank function in this module. So you want to rank the score among all 6 of these, and you've got to $sign that. So our favorite key is F4, I guess. And then 0 would mean descending order. Okay, so the best job, well, there's a tie. 2 of them at 685. Now, how would we highlight all the information on each job that ranks number 1 or has the highest score? Well, what I would do is select the range and do conditional formatting and say if what's in the rank column of the given row is equal to 1, I want to highlight the whole row. So I'd select this range. I'd go conditional formatting, use a formula, which is so useful. New rule, use a formula. And so I would say, does the rank in this row, okay, we're going to have to $sign the M, but not the 21. That's the key. Because then when we copy it across, it's always pulling from column M. And copy it down, it's pulling from the row we're in. If that equals 1, then we should put a nice highlight in there. Okay, we'll do orange, whatever. Okay, so then if I do that, you can see job 1 and 3 tied for first place. Now, if I would give job 1 a location rank of 10, then it would win by itself, and the highlighting goes there. So I think that's really a cool method for handling multiple objectives. Again, decision making with multiple objectives. But again, the key is how do you come up with these weights? And there's a method, if you're interested, analytic hierarchy process, or AHP. And we might do a future video on that I believe is the most widely used method to get the weights for various objectives. But that's the end of this video.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.